Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to draw outlines for everything, especially for portraits. So before I jump into the exact video, I want to say something to you guys. Friends, when I was started to draw things, I'll be drawing like starting somewhere and finishing somewhere, but later I found that it's not the correct way. Lot of realism artists are using grid method for drawing outlines or any other freehand outlines too, but I'm an artist who uses freehand skills and freehand drawing. Freehand drawing is not that much easy without enough practice, but it is the best method to draw outlines, and the grid method is way more perfect than this method, but this is very efficient without having that much used things like pre-preparing the grids or like that. So the first thing which you want to do to draw freehandedly is looking the shapes in the picture. So let's take an example. Let's take an elephant and start look at it and its shapes. Put some random shapes on its body and figure it out as an elephant. It is very easy job when you see the clouds and figuring some other creature or like that. So this is very similar to that, and relating it to that, you can frame your own shapes into that exact thing or the animal or an human.
Friends, this is the elephant picture which I'm having, and here you can see a circle for its head and an oval for its body and a rectangle like thing for its leg. So this is the basic shapes in this elephant's picture, and with this you can figure the whole elephant drawing. So this is quite easy and simple at first, but if you practice this is the very efficient method and very easy and joyful method of drawing rather than having measurements and grids like that. Here you can see this, friends. I hope it's clear for you.
So the first thing is you want to divide the whole picture into different shapes as you want or as you think. So that could be a very efficient method for drawing freehandedly. Then as far as portrait and drawing human figures, it has its own principles while drawing. I have already posted a video about that. If you not yet watched it, the link is in cards. It will be in somewhere like that. Check it out. And friends, watch that. You can see how to draw a portrait. So let's take an example. Today I'm going to draw and show you how to draw outlines for portraits by using Scarlett Johansson's picture. So let's get started, friends.
The first thing which I'll do while drawing a portrait is drawing that tiny picture of it on the top corner, which will be very rough and very tiny, because I just want a basic idea what it would be after completing it. So it helps me a lot while drawing and things to remember where it want to become and what the exact size it want to be, like that. And I'll not take much time on that because it doesn't want that much time and you can do it easily, but it helps you a lot. Then friends, I'll be using the same technique which I have shown in a video. The video link is in description as well as the cards, so check it out, because without seeing it you can't understand this unless you have already that knowledge. Friends, I'm drawing a basic and rough figure of the face because I'll be erasing the part which I want to change and redrawing it. This is not a grid method or like any other measurements. You can't do anything without erasing. If you are a professional you can't do it, but if you are a beginner, definitely you can't do this without erasing. But if you are doing paintings, it doesn't matter. You don't want to erase any lines because you will be layering up it with the paint, so it lines will be hidden at the background. But if you are doing any color pencil or watercolor or even graphite or charcoal, you just want to erase the whole outlines slightly. And here you can see I'm just dividing the whole face into 4 equal parts. The last 2 parts might be the same and will be parts, but it looks strange. Actually it's not 4 parts, actually it's 5 parts, but the whole length want to be divided by 4 and the last 2 ends want to be half of the length. I'm maybe a bit confusing, but on that video I have said and shown you exactly what the thickness is. Make sure you watch that video too. Friends, I'm just double the speed of my drawing and I just done this very quickly within 25 minutes I think, and you can do this easily with a bit of practice, and don't worry about drawing at freehand, because when we all started to draw we will be drawing freehandedly, but when we got an easy method we'll be up to it and start drawing with it rather than learning something, because it's our sweet spot and the comfort zone. Just come out of your comfort zone, because learning is always needs some practice and some effort, because it's not a thing which you can acquire easily. Then friends, as far as ears, in this picture you can see the ears is not that much big, and just see the picture and draw it, because you are just doing realism work, not any other cartoon works, because cartoon works are really tough as you want to put a lot of effort on thinking your character rather than presenting this, because but realistic work is also very tough, because you want to invest a lot of time and do the thing or the drawing with a lot of focus. You don't want to miss anything because it is a realistic work. You want to bring out the picture as like same. Friends, I'm gonna complete this outline right now, because I have done the whole face and I'm just doing the body right now and erasing the lines which I don't want, and I just want the hairs to be done. I don't want that tiny little sketch anymore, so I just erased it. You don't want any outlines to be perfect other than the eyes, nose and lips and the chin line like that, because that are the basic things which a drawing wants to bring out that character on your paper. Here's it, friends.
Friends, hope you love the tutorial, and if you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And thank you so much for watching, friends. It means a lot for me, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends who are interested in drawings and who just want to learn drawings and see more drawings and like that. And thank you so much for watching, friends.